Experience refined living at Grosvenor House, Leicester, where luxury seamlessly blends with convenience. Indulge in meticulously crafted living spaces from elegant en-suites to spacious studios and cozy one-bedroom apartments. Each residence features a snug bed and a dedicated study desk with a comfortable chair, ensuring optimal comfort for academic endeavors. Relax and connect in vibrant communal areas, complete with a pool table perfect for unwinding after productive days. Take a stroll in the spacious courtyard and benefit from state-of-the-art laundry facilities, offering both time and cost savings. Centrally situated, the location provides effortless access to prestigious universities such as Montfort University and the University of Leicester. Explore the lively city center, where charming eateries like the Olive, Greek street food, and bread and honey await your discovery. Excellent transport links from nearby bus stops such as Welford Place and Pocklington's Walk ensure easy exploration of Leicester and beyond. Don't miss out on enhancing your student journey at Grosvenor House, Leicester. Secure your ideal accommodation today at amberstudent.com and elevate your living experience to new heights.